Kumshi benta banyarat kakia kason jong ki dorbar shnong hakum kani kapor badang yakun persyayu knyang jingpang COVID-19 baka sorkar jela kadang penjari deka kangdam lakumba ar banai duna. Haka katsandrik mentau banai jelio ar hajar ar pawai u MLA jangka 19th South Shillong constituency u ba sanbor shullai ula ai jingiarap san lak tengka na katulap jong u syaki katsau teli ki dorbar shnong ki bahap hapo ka South Shillong constituency kenang ba kini ki dorbar shnong kinyo ban ai jingiarap syaki long yeng ki baduk bakerdu. Habayakran hakani ka jingialang u ba sanbor u penpau ya ka jing skungu e ka jing tre shitom jong ki dorbar shnong wada kimyo ka jingiarap na ei ru.
Compelled to step in my doorstep because they don't have even money to buy charcoal or kerosene oil or firewood to cook. Do they have a little bit of rice now? There are children who are sick. They don't have money to buy medicine. There are children who need to drink milk every day if I don't have money to drink. I'm informed by my family members and my staff from office where my missus and my family members, I give them directive to extend 3,000, 4,000, depend on the numbers of the family, because I know, as a person who born and brought up here, I know who are genuine and who are ungenuine, who are poor and who are not poor. So they are sitting every unextended financial help to them, and remember, service to people is service to God. I told my family members and my staff in the office, don't let them go empty. The salary which I'm getting 3,000 rupees every month. Yes, as per the procedure, the salary from the office, they deposit direct to my account. It is there, deposited there in my account. And during this time of difficulties, this period of difficulties, if we can eat well, we can sleep well, without any problem, without any distress. My conscience doesn't allow me to see that these people will be living in starvation. I must express my very, very sincere thanks from the bottom of my heart. I spoke to them every day from hospital. I appeal to them specially, please go, organize yourself, especially in the containment area, like the Palpatmeda, the lower Palpatmeda, the border of lower Palpatmeda and Jilpara. My friends, last year during the lockdown, I went personally with my volunteers, with those COVID leaders from the area, to provide them day and night food. And those are our own brother and sister. They are human beings like me and you, who are homeless, sleeping on the ground with tarpaulin. And these are the beggars in that area. Plenty of beggars. If you go to Meghalaya, on the way on the right side of Durga Mandir, Bhauri, Compass, Lower Pathangar, you will see plenty of tarpaulin plastic where these hawkers, mentally retarded, old people, old men and women are living there. They carry bowl. They are coming to the door of each and every hotel express my sincere thanks to the Jalukara, CCMT, the Lower Paltan Bajar CCMT and the Paltan Bajar CCMT, that they have united together with my friends, my well-wisher from that area, from the hospital. I told them, go, take care of them. They are spending their time, morning, 3 times a day, to look after them. Because if they carry bowl also to beg for the food, but the shops are all closed. So this organization together, they are cooking food for them 3 times a day. They are getting
participation so much that this year I am very, very much thankful and very happy to inform that even the rate of mortality has come down. We have a few deaths compared to other localities which has not been so open to vaccination. So apart from that, I think before this start of the lockdown, we've been addressing a lot of, we have been having lots of committee and meetings with the CCMT and the health owners regarding issue of space, congestion, and cooperation from the tenants and landowners of that place. So I find that as we move on to the next phase or towards the end or the third and second phase of the lockdown, we've been able to address a number of issues like overcrowding in shops. That too, the CCMT has taken the lead in helping us. And then we also have other issues like the health workers are facing, the heavy duty or the extreme hard work that they're doing in the area in sensitizing house door-to-door survey, door-to-door visit of positive cases. So sir I think sir and the CCMT are quite aware that last year there's been much help coming from sir and the CCMT together in coming to the assistance of the problem of the health workers also. So much of our ASHAs, our health workers, has received much help from the MLA and from alongside the participation of the CCMT. So I would like to say that in our area, I think we should work more on awareness regarding following of COVID appropriate behavior in the locality, which I think the CCMT is looking after every day. So from my side, sir, I would like to inform you that regarding considering all the problems that they face, I must say that until today, we've been working in tandem with CMT and the Shillong, and there has not been any issue that I've not been able to solve. So any added assistance from your side, any other assistance towards the health workers or the ASHA, the Aganwadidi are much, of course, welcome, but we are actually at a position to say that even the 18 plus vaccination is going on full strength. The 45 plus category also is seeing a lot of improvement, and we've been able to cover 80 to 85%.